So this is the flour. So there's no dirt inside, but you still have to just sieve to avoid story. Okay. Yeah. Oil. Put
this 1 spoon
of
oil.
Okay.
Power oil.
Okay.
Maybe I use this power. Put 1.5.
Okay. So she's going to be adding salt. Small, big.
Even that big spoon. That big spoon anyway, that measurement spoon. And that measurement spoon will be spoon. So you measure for that 1 mood.
Okay. Okay. Then you level it.
Level it.
But this is not the measurement spoon. Okay. So if you have the measurement spoon at home, you can make use of it. So
now you can pour it. But it's even now, and this salt make it more than because of all the spoon and they use.
So it's in a half. Because no below the spoon.
I don't know if you know. Okay.
Now I won't on the spoon, mommy.
You put
so in case of you have that kind of spoon that I have, you can still
you measure
use it.
1 mood, the man if I have 1 mood.
Okay.
Make it kind to 2.
Okay.
That can be 1 mood.
Okay. So the next thing you're doing is to mix
it how you're mixing meat pie.
Okay.
Many of them only have the measurement. But think I know.
Mommy, everything that I about this samosa and spring roll is measurement.
If you dey measure, okay, I very many mistakes. So you add water.
Okay.
You know how you mix meat pie? You mix it like that.
Okay.
If you do, okay. You first of all you rub flour so that you not stick. I put small flour
on top of the dough.
The dough so that the pea will not stick. You turn. As you do, make sure that your dough is the same size
with others. So these are all the doughs. She just made sure that everything are equal. Okay.
Power oil. You can use any oil, any groundnut oil.
Okay.
While you are rubbing on so that the thing will come out well.
Okay, so it's not gonna stick to each other. Stick to one another. Okay. Okay.
So sprinkle flour on top.
Okay.
You cover.
Okay, do it again.
Use this and cover this.
Oh. Okay. So just repeating the same process. Okay.
Cover it. Just what you do, clean your table.
Okay. Okay, just excess flour. Okay.
So now you roll it again. Your turn.
Okay, you know that she spread it out. Initially it was small, now is wide. Is it wide? Yes, wide. So when you're doing it, you're going to be flipping it up and down. You roll for 5 seconds. Mommy, am I right? 5 seconds now.
How many seconds?
Like to roll it out, to roll it like this for 5 seconds, then you turn it again and roll again. Nothing like that.
Nothing like that.
Just roll and turn. Roll and turn.
Carrot.
Okay, she's putting it into my frying pan. So this frying pan is not non-stick pan, but some of you will be like,
no, any frying pan can do it. You not put anything inside.
Okay, it must not be non-stick pan. Finish.
On the gas.
I'm going to on the gas.
7 minutes.
You got for 7 minutes.
But man, because all is small.
Okay, it's not as big as.
Life is let me see, 12 layers.
Okay.
And see these gas are the whole wide enough.
Okay.
It's okay. Anything that is fine, you put it and you cut it round.
Okay, with your knife.
With your knife, cut it round.
Okay.
Round. Cut it round. You remove it.
Okay.
Remove it.
So, mommy, what can you use this excess dough to do?
You can use it for
chips. Okay.
And cut it like this. Like this.
Okay, if I want to use it for chips.
You bring it out.
Okay, the reason why is okay because of the oil, Abi.
No.
That's why it's separating now.
The flour.
Okay.
So you can use it. You can fry. You can bake. That is chips for chips. You can use it for chips.
Okay.
Now you want to cut it into two now.
For samosa and spring roll.
This one, let me say, is for samosa, but you can use it for spring roll because it will not be big. But you can use this for spring roll. Even samosa, you can use it. Why I'm doing it like this, so that you get the measurement.
Okay.
For you to
cutting.
You get the measurement like this, or as you get them, you can cut like this. But for me, I've seen it. I know the measurement.
Okay.
I want to show you.
So for me that don't know now. Thank you, ma'am.
You see?
Wow.
It's the same.
Equal. Hey, perfection.
So now you separate. You separate it one. The first layer, you remove it gentle so that
Okay.
the thing will not. And remove it like this.
Okay.
Put it down. The second one, gentle, gentle,
Okay.
gentle, gentle, gentle. You remove it.
So it's easy to remove because of the oil and flour you applied on top before you added each layer.
Yes.
Abi?
Yes. So
Okay.
you take time.
Take your time.
Take your time.
Okay.
Don't rush.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
No, this is more than 2.
Yeah.
This one is almost still inside. Equal so that you cut. You do it like this so that you get the straight line.
Okay.
When you get it, use your hand and you cut.
Okay. This one is for.
One is for spring roll.
One is for samosa.
Samosa. The same cutting you use for samosa and spring roll.
Okay, but different folding.
Different folding.
Okay.